My goal today is to extend the calendar in QuickScore. I've already logged in and have landed at my home page. To extend a calendar, I must first select Settings in the bottom left. From the Settings menu, I'll then select Calendars under Configuration. In the Calendar section, I can see that I currently have one custom calendar at the bottom, named Fiscal Years, along with 3 traditional calendars, monthly, quarterly, and yearly. Those 3 are all based on the traditional calendar that begins on January 1st and ends on December 31st. If I were to click on each and scroll down, I'll just pick on yearly. I'll see that this one ends in 2024. Monthly ends on April 2024, and quarterly ends on Q2 2024. If I wanted to extend a calendar, I would simply click on the one that I want to extend. In this case, I'll pick monthly. And then I'll choose Extend Calendar. I would then pick the month and year, select 2024, select May, and then I'll pick the 31st of May. Last step is to select Extend. Okay, so that calendar would now be extended, which originally was through April of 2024, it would now be through May. The process to extend quarterly and yearly calendars is exactly the same, so I'll leave those two as is. I can see that the process for extending a standard calendar is fairly easy. I just need to select the calendar, select Extend Calendar, pick a date that I want to extend it to, and select Extend. However, in regard to custom calendars, there's a little more work involved since the system does not know how to automatically extend something like a fiscal calendar, which can vary from company to company. To give an example of that, I'll select the fiscal year's custom calendar. I see that this calendar only contains one period, which is for fiscal year 2019. And it runs from October 1, 2018 through September 30th, 2019. If I wanted to add a period for 2020, I would select Add Period, provide a period title, like fiscal year 2020. I would then select the start date of October 1st, 2019, select an end date, September 30th, 2020, and then select Add Period. And with that, I've shown how to extend both traditional and custom calendars. To see the fruits of my labor, I'll select Scorecards and then select Mobile World. If I click on Mobile World Balance Scorecard, I see in the upper right it is showing a monthly calendar display. After the change I made earlier to the monthly calendar, I should be able to select up to May 2024, but not anything beyond that. To prove that out, I'll start by selecting the year, 2024. I'll then pick the month drop-down and see that January through May is available. However, June through December is not an option. If I were to switch to fiscal years calendar, I should have the ability to pick between 2 years, fiscal year 2019 and fiscal year 2020, the latter of which I just added earlier.